My name is Justin James. I am EZ Entertainment. I want to introduce John Dombrowski here. He is going to be the MC for the night.
And there's one more person that everybody always manages to forget to think. You know, I couldn't possibly do this without my wonderful wife, Krystal Jo. Married for 11. I couldn't possibly, I absolutely could not do it without you. All of this is because of you, baby. I love you. Will you marry me again someday? I got a baby, boys! I got a baby!
Would not clearly see the time is slipping by. We gotta go and fight for what we believe. We can rewrite the program. I know that we can rewrite the program. Now I see a world within the.
This is awesome. I'm hitting 1,000 bikes this year no matter what I do.
And it makes me think I'm going insane. In my brain, yeah. I hear a voice and it keeps saying to me, you've been caught in a web of deceit. You've been shaken by lies at your feet. You've been caught in fantasy. You've created your own bad dreams.
Decided to stop at Salvation Army. I bought myself a couple dresses, and then I looked over and noticed there was a bike. And I decided, well, that's going to be the only bike that I'm going to find probably from here on until tonight's event. So I decided to buy that bike.
So, I mean, it doesn't have to be a new bike. It doesn't have to be a brand new bike off the shelf. You can bring a used bike, whatever. Like this tricycle here. I mean, it's got a broken seat. It's got some wooden pedals, but Tony will take that, fix it up, and some kid will have a great smile and a great chance to kind of get out and have fun and be a kid again.
You've been faking. You've been wasting all my time. If I get with the program, well, I would learn my place. Now I see a world within the world. And it makes me think I'm going insane. In my brain, yeah.
Tony, I'm not able to physically help to be able to be there. So here is half of my income tax refund for the kids. Bless you, brother. And that is signed by Mr. Double Sausage Sandwich, who sent this all the way from Tennessee, a predominantly over-large check in the amount of $613.75.
They have control, but not clearly see. The time is slipping by. We gotta go and fight for what we believe. We can rewrite the program. I know that we can rewrite the program.
James, here with Kevin Zink of the Machine Shop. Here on location at the Krystal Jo Benefit Bike Drive.
Yep.
So I want to thank you again for sponsoring or supporting the show, supporting the cause.
Happy to. Glad that it's raising, a lot of money.
Yeah,
There's a lot of
like we have a crap ton of bikes that people just donated for their own free will. We're not trying to be PG here,